we're going to be looking again into the DXM strategy. Let's see how the portfolio is going, how the portfolio is progressing. Plus, I want to show something really, really cool. Let me share the link of the Google Sheets, so then everyone can follow what I'm doing live on the spreadsheet. We're going to be having a look at the economic calendar as well, but that's going to be pretty much it for today. So before we go any further, guys, I just want to put the disclaimer up, the risk disclaimer up. Give a minute to everyone to read, and then we should start. Okay, let's go ahead. Let's start it. Good morning, Suleiman. So the DXM strategy, for those who are new here, I don't think there's anyone new, but maybe someone is watching new onto YouTube. The DXM Forex spot strategy exclusively trades the Forex spot market. So we only be trading Forex. We target both majors and crosses currency pairs. So basically major pairs like G10 economies and crosser pairs as well, like AUD and ZD, etc. Basically, what do? We leverage the market sentiment tool on FinLogics, affectionately nicknamed by DXM. And then this guides us to what directional buyers we're going to take, consistently positioning against the majority sentiment. The key components of the strategy include the risk management, so employing the average true range, the ATR multiplied by 6 to define the stop loss levels. And then we calculate the risk exposure. So the profit target is maintaining a minimum 1.1 to 1.18 risk reward ratio for take profit levels. The entry point is we utilize technical levels like the support, resistance, Fibonacci retracements to identify the high probability entry zones. And we always align with the contrarian principle, entering the opposite side of the market majority. So this is why we use the sentiment tool onto FinLogics. Okay. FinLogics website is right here. Let me send a link to everyone. Let me send the link to FinLogics. There you go. So here's I've sent the link into the chat so everyone have access to the FinLogics website. So FinLogics, you have a few options on the top right here. You have the charting tool that you can use. You have the tools, and then you have market sentiment. That's what we're going to be using today. Plus, what we're going to be using today as well is I was thinking that this is too hard for everyone to understand the position size, and like you get the stop loss, calculate this, calculate that, etc., etc. So what we do is we have a automated calculator to calculate the risk position or the risk size you want to trade. And I already have here on my plugins is the FinLogics plugin. So you have the calendar, the sentiment, the news, and there's the calculator. Okay, and then you can calculate the currency converter, you can calculate the margin, and you can calculate position size. That's what we're going to be using today. All right. So that's exactly what we want to use. How do you get access to FinLogics plugin? It's very, very easy. All right. So you can type in FinLogics extension, download, and then you can click on the first link, and you will come to this area. All right. So let me send the link to everyone. FinLogics extension. There you go. So I've sent the link to the chat so everyone can have a look into it. Basically, you can click on add to Google. Let me put this in, translate to English. So you're going to be add to Google, add to Chrome, or add to something else. It's going to be here. You can click on here because I already have it says remove. So basically click into add and then wait, accept. I think you have to accept some sort of things, etc. And then you can click on this little puzzle thing here, and then you can come to your extensions and you have FinLogics economic calendar. You can click on it. And that's where you get access to the economic calendar. that you can choose to have exactly the same things as on the other. Yes.
Yeah, you will have joined. Okay, so it is working.
Yeah, it's worked. Oh, sorry. So you have the economic calendar here, as well as the sentiment. That it's not loading. There we go. So you have the sentiment here. You have the news as well. What's going on with us, and then the calculator. All right, margin, position size, and currency converter. Okay, everyone good? So this will be much easier for us because we can just come here and then come in calculator and then calculate position size. And then we have a 5,000 US, all right? And then the account base is US dollar. We want to tolerate 2% risk on the, let's say, euro dollar. And then the open price is this, and then the stop loss price is this, and then we can calculate. And then we're going to be risking $100, and that's how much lot size we have to open. But remember, this is on unit. Okay, so Forex pairs are $100,000 unit per one lot. So every one lot you're using, you're pretty much buying $100,000 up from that instrument. So so one lot can vary on instrument. All right, please verify that with your broker before trading. So that's exactly what we do. So we're gonna have 100,000 one lot. All right, so basically half of that would be 0.5 lots. Okay, and then half of that would be 0.25 lots, and goes like that. Okay. You can always ask ChatGPT as well to give me, let's write a minute, calculators, position size, calculate, switch to pips. You can switch to pips here as well. Let me see what, okay. If you want to put in like pip size, I prefer open price and stop loss price, much better. And then this is what we got. Okay, 92,000. So it's pretty much one lot, 0.95 lots. All right, all good. Hopefully everyone could understand. Any questions from that, guys? No questions? No. Okay, that's good. All right, so let's have a look at the portfolio. What's going on here? So we had a AUD US dollar cancelled. And then we had GBP AUD buy limit. I think this trade actually hits the stop loss. So let's have a look at the chart first. GBP AUD, right? Yeah, GBP AUD. GBP AUD. That was a buy limit at this price. So let me put in here. And then here. What? Wow, interesting. 193. There you go. That was on the, what day was that? 27. So 27 right here. Oof, no way. Look at that. We nearly got triggered. Okay, interesting. We would get hit TP really, really well. Wow. Unfortunately, this trade did not get hit. Okay. So we didn't got filled on this order. Otherwise, we would be on really, really good profit. But unfortunately, we didn't got hit on this order. So again, this was cancelled. All right. So we need, that was a pending order as well by limit. So short limit on this one, sorry. And then this one was a buy limit as well. So interesting. It didn't work out. So there's something with our strategy maybe that is not working the way it should be. Okay, because we already got 2 trades cancelled because we didn't got hit. All right, so because we didn't got filled on the order. So there's something that we should change. Aditya says we should enter manually. We could enter manually. That would be good. That would be really great, to be honest. But I'm just not too sure if that would be the main concept of the strategy. We could do something, all right? We could monitor, right? Because every time we break a top, so at this case here, we should enter the position on the top got broke. Then we could have this momentum up, all right? That would be a good addition to the strategy. Because look at that, was only 1%. So we already knew the market was going to shoot up very, very quick up. What else would you AUD/USD as well on the short side? Let's have a look. AUD/USD. See, the direction we are predicting completely right. Again, another one that we missed by a few points. What price was that? 0.6566. $5.66. What day was that? On the 20. On the 20. Yeah, right there. Yeah, we've placed this trade here, and then we nearly got hit, and we nearly got fillet here. But again, we didn't got fillet. Otherwise, it would be a really, really good trade. So the direction was correct again. We can see here that the majority was long, so we got to be shorting. So the direction was right again, but we just didn't got fillet on the trade. So that's something we should be paying attention for the next trades. Let's have a look at what we got here today then. So we got Euro JPY bullish. Not too sure about that. Euro JPY bullish. Okay. Yeah, well, I wouldn't be looking to trade this long, to be honest. You know, yes, a bit of support here somewhere on this level, but still, I think with this whole downtrend move here, this market sentiment showing bullish, this 21% long, maybe we'll carry the trade to somewhere on a very small resistance, somewhere around here. So I wouldn't bother to catch this small move. You know, some people think this is big or something, but look at the moves we got from other currency pairs, right? So not looking to trade this. NZUSD bullish. I don't think so. Look, NZUSD bullish. Let's have a look. USD bullish. Well, the RZ actually did, but we can try. And go for a 4-hour chart. Well, there is an opportunity here because we are right at the support.
You have a camera to it?
Right here.
Hey,
so there is maybe an opportunity for us to actually trade long here.
yeah.
You know, every time it reaches here, there's a few bounces like this one. I think we can catch a trade here. All right. I think we can catch a trade here, guys. And there's a nice risk reward as well, because we can catch this trade all the way up to somewhere here and the stop loss somewhere here. So we may catch this trade. Let's have a look at what the ATI is saying. Average range. So right now we have 204. Okay, so let's do calculator. So let's do, oh gosh, sorry. There we go. So let's do 204 times 6. So that's 1,224 points. So 122 pips. 122 pips. So right now we're trading at 58.5. So 58,600. So 58,600, 57,600, 600, 400. There you go. So your stop loss would be somewhere around here. Here. Entry point would be here. Take profit would need to be at least 1.8 to that, but we can easily get somewhere around here. Okay. Times 1.8. So 2,203 points. So 2,000 would be into 700. 700 would be 300, sorry. Yeah, around here. We can catch this trade. Looks pretty good for me. You know, there's an easy way as well for us to calculate that is coming here and using the long position. So pretty much where we want to enter is here. And then we want to put into stop loss here and then the take profit here. So 1, 2, 8, there you go. So that's the minimum we should be aiming for this trade. Now, I don't think we need this whole big stop loss here, okay, in my opinion. So that's a 4-hour chart, because if we go down to a 1-hour chart, then this indicator will change as well, okay, because the volume will be different, right? The volatility will be different. And then this changed to 114. So that's much better for us, because if it stays below this low, that's already fine to us, because if the market breaks this low, then you know what I mean, like there's no chance for us to continue on the trade, because the short will continue. So we're trying to get a reversal strategy here. Okay, it's a tricky, but it's good. We've broke to the top. Yeah, that's good. Came back to retest some area here. I think this is a good trade. Let's have a look. 130 times 6, 780 points. Go here, 780. 780. Let's go for 800 just to be safe. There we go. And then we can put at a minimum 1 to 8. We can do a 2 to 1 here. That's really good trade. Okay, awesome. I think everything looks good. I think it's time for us to actually get this trade on the track record. So NZD/USD on the 4th of December 2024, and we are by long at the price of, let's go here, entry level, this price. Why this doesn't go as I want? Okay, that's not what I want. There you go, perfect. That's what I want. So now I can serve these ones as well. There you go. Sorry guys, let me just fix this. Yeah, 197, 83, that's completely correct. Okay. 83, 0, 0. Okay, now it's good. So how much risk should we use? I think as this is a momentum trade, I think I will be using 1.5% risk. The position side was going to calculate now. Stop loss is this here. Okay. And the take profit is this one here. Ta-da. There we go. Now the swaps we don't know, close positions we don't know, that's running. Now let's calculate the position size. So let's go into plugins, extensions, FinLogics extension. And then we go into calculators, and then we go into position sizing, and then we do 5,000 account currency US dollar, risk 1.5% on NZUSD.
Yeah.
Into the open price of, oh no, here, come back to here. Oh, no way, it doesn't save. Ooh, okay, that's all right. Euro dollar, NZUSD. Good. There we go. 0. What? Doesn't go like that. Okay. So 0, 58, 53, 6. 0, 58, 53, 6. Why it's not? Should be working. What I mean, guys? USD 58, 58, 545. 545. Okay. The stop loss price is at, oof, I don't want to get out of here. So what should I do? 50, let's calculate as 57,800. 57,800. Okay. It's a 1.5% risk. 1.5. Account balance is 5,000, and then it's on US dollars. If you have another currency, you can change for whatever currency you have. Calculate. So we're going to be using 0.17 lots. Okay, 0.17 lots is what we're going to be using. So 0.17. It's good. Okay, and there we have it. There we have it. Perfect. And now let me take a screenshot of this. Screenshot. Perfect. Right. Okay, done. Okay, so we are long on NZUSD, and we're catching a 1, 2. Just yeah, perfect. And we are looking to catch a 1 to 2 trade risk reward. So I think that's going to be good. What do you guys think? Okay, let's have a look at more trades. So GBP USD bullish. Ooh, okay. GBP USD. Let's have a look on this one. Well. So broke to the top here. Yes, break the top. I think this one is not quite at the moment for us to enter into market. Okay, because we had a 37% bullish, yes, but maybe it can continue to go lower and then shoot up somewhere around here. But it's just not the time yet to us to get it. Okay, that's what I think. Yeah, let's see if we have more options. Euro Aussie bullish. Euro is very weak compared to Australian dollar. Let's have a look. Oh, that's the reason. Yeah. Well, we had the GDP this morning from Australia being really bad. So CAD JPY bullish. Everything seems a little bit off today, but at least we got some trade on NZUSD. JPY bullish. Nah, I'm not longing this. USD JPY neutral, USD CAD. Nah. Euro dollar neutral, Aussie JPY bearish. Okay, I like this. Hopefully we can catch, because we already had a big move. Okay, that's a good trade. Yes, yes. Okay, maybe we're a little bit late to the party, but we can potentially, you know, it's better to enter in the market here than being out of it. If we have a stop loss above this area, should be fine. Let's calculate it. Get the average true range. It is on 251. So 251 times 6 gives us 1,506 points. So let's have a look. $1,500. Yeah, 1,600. So 160 pips here. So we need at least a 121.8. Let me see where this goes. No, 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 no. Targeting too much. Interesting. Well, I think we can trade this. I think it's a good trade actually, because Japanese yen. Hey Lucas, sorry for interruption, but other market sentiment is a long one and the USD is a short. Can you check on PMT ons? Ah, interesting. I can check on that because this is on all book. It's not the whole book. All right. Maybe other brokers have other tools, but let me check on that pretty quick. NZD was dollar. DXM. USD CHF is not here. So DXM is showing, if it loads, let's go for a percentage and let's go for short. Yeah, wow. It's showing short, yeah, but I think we can go long. I think we can go long on this one. Okay. What about USD CHF? Well, it's not here, so we won't be looking to trade then. We only trade the currencies that are on the main page. Going on, we have AUD US dollar bearish. AUD USD, that's good, that's good, that's good. Bearish, I like that. Yes, it broke down. Maybe coming back. That's a nice trade. We need 139, so 139 times 6, 139 times 6, 850. So here, $850. I'll go for 900, just because it's 90 pips. Just because it's really on on the top of here. So yeah, we can go for 900 and then 128. Okay. Yeah, I think that's a good trade. Let's catch this one, AUD USD. It's supposed to be on a consolidation, but it broke to the bottom. It broke down. So maybe let's assume that this is what we got, and then the market won't come back to here. So let's go for this one. I will use 1.5% risk on this one as well. So entry will be on this. What is gonna be the entry, and then push. Okay, 1.5% risk as well. This is in percentage. 5. Then the stop loss will be at this level. And the TP will be at this level.
Yeah.
Okay. And that's going to be AUD USD, and it's today's date as well. Perfect. So font size 12. That should be the middle. We also the side, except for this one right here. Okay, so let's calculate the lot size for this one. So 1.5%. Come here, FinLogics economic calendar tool, calculator, position size, account balance at 5,000. We will continue to calculate at 5,000. Okay, we want because the right way to calculate would be, remember we have $70 already in stop loss because it's 1.5%. So we should be calculating $4,930. Okay, because the $70 we have to count as a money that is being used already. Okay, so let's count as this way. US dollar risk tolerance 1.5%. Instrument is AUD USD. The open price is at 64,500. 64,500, and the stop loss is at 65,500. 65,400. Let's calculate this. So 0.12 lots. Okay, that's what we should be using. 0.12. Okay, perfect. Let's take a screenshot of this one. USD. Perfect. Right here. Perfect. All right, we've got 2 trades for today already. That's pretty good. Let's continue. AUD Euro CHF. Euro CHF. Euro CHF short. Nah, don't like the way the chart is. AUD CAD short. That's a good option. This doesn't seem much to trade. Is to have a, something like that. No, next. Euro pound short. We caught a good trade short on Euro pound. At the first trade we got, Euro pound was short. That was a good trade. Imagine if we're still holding that trade. It's going to be pretty good on the 13th of 11. 13 of 11. Oh, that's a daily. Okay. Yeah, we caught the first trade somewhere around here.
Yeah. That's it.
13. And then we caught all the way down to here. No, I don't think so, because it's already on the bottom. Next one. NZDJPY. NZDJPY. No. No, I think we're going to stick for these two trades that we got today, guys. So Aussie dollar short and New Zealand dollar up. It's a good hedge. We're going to make some money because one of them will go up, some of them will go down because we're trading US dollar. So either way, Aussie dollar may make 1.8% or lose 1.5%. Sorry, depends on the risk calculator. We're gonna have to check later. And this one as well. All right. So that's pretty much from me today. Hopefully you guys could catch some good trade as well this week. Don't forget we are back tomorrow at the same time, 5 to 6 p.m. And yeah, enjoy the week, guys. Thank you so much for coming. Thanks, guys. Peace. See you. Bye.